What's up to all my Cloud Squad people, man? Welcome to the channel. Right now we don't have an intro, so we're just gonna rock with it like this. But basically, I just wanted to get on here today to come to my videographers, because I hear a lot of videographers complaining like, oh, I don't have this $3,000 camera, or I don't have this equipment, I have this equipment. And basically why I came on here today is I wanted to show y'all that with just a $500 camera, this is not even a 4K camera, 1080p. Slow-mo is shot in 720p, so Sigma 19mm lens. And I'm gonna show y'all that y'all can make a very cinematic video with just this camera by itself, you know what I'm saying? Throughout the video, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the scenes of us actually shooting it and then showing what it looks like finally. So at the end of the video, we're gonna put it all together, show you how it all came out. The only equipment I really used was this this A6000, Sony A6000, this Sigma 19mm lens, and then I used the Zion Crane stabilizer to get some smooth shots. Go ahead, click the like button, share, and comment on the video and tell me what y'all want to see next. Pick up your gun, pick up your gun. Okay, raise it on your shoulder. Alright, yeah. Point it at the camera.
Most of all, we all need prayer. Karma coming, beware. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope I'm on the right path. Life is issue with a light jab. Mike Tyson, strike back. You niggas going out slice sad. Boy, I'm all about my back. New trip, I grab. I just want to get my life back. There's no complaining on this side. My nigga shit is not tolerated. Cause some niggas off like an operation. And my team way more consolidated. Sweet presidential, that's inauguration. Cause we could get
Sweet Lord, please have mercy. Baby Jesus, please save us. I know I used up my 3 favors. Back to sending like a week later. New car, speed racer, copper crib, need acres. Most of all, we all need prayer. Karma coming, beware. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope I'm on the right path. Life will hit you with a light jab. Mike Tyson, strike back. You niggas going out slice sad. Boy, I'm all about my bag. New drip, I grab. I just wanna get my life back. There's no complaining on this side. My nigga shit is not tolerated. Cause some